Alright, y'all, so I got the headlights in. I know I missed a step or whatever, but I got one took apart. So lens, the back, this part, whatever this is. But put it in the oven for, I think it was 215 degrees for 9 minutes. Wasn't quite there, so I put it back in there for 220 for like another 5 minutes or so. So roughly about 10 to 15 minutes in the oven, around 215 to 220, and then just pry it. Let's see. I started on this front side, so you loosen all the tabs or whatever, and all the way around. But yeah, start in that corner and pry it back this way, and then it should come out pretty easy. So now I gotta figure out how to get this bar off, which is set up a little different than I thought it would be. So it's like an actual tube, and so I gotta take this part apart, and it's got little metal tabs holding it in. So I got a little flat head, so I pry all of those loose and try to knock the bar out of this side, so I can see how I plan on adding these color shift lights. So it's a little different than I expected, so we're gonna see what we can do. Alright, so update. The little tab things in the back aren't actually on this bar. So you can see it's like little metal clips that the bar kind of sits in and it clamps on it. So all you need is a flat head, and you just pry the bar loose here, here, and here, and then you kind of push it back this way, just a little bit, enough for this end to come out, and then you should just be able to slide it back through this way, like so. Yeah, if I can get it the rest of the way out, but there we go. So, and that's how you get the bar out, and you see the little grooves that are in it to make it light up. So now I kind of get why it looks sort of bright, almost as bright as the Spec D, but maybe not so much, because it's not actual LEDs all the way across. It's I'm assuming this is like one of those little small Cree LEDs like they use in the door projectors. So I'm gonna take this apart. Just gotta get a little Allen key. But yeah, so now we gotta, I guess now I gotta figure out exactly how I want to put these LEDs in here, because the game is a little different now, but we'll figure something out. So back to this bar. Alright, so this piece was screwed on, so I got that loose, and all it is just one LED. It's hard for this to show up clear, but anyway, there you go. So it's that one LED in there that was just shining through here. My bad, I had got a call in there, so I'm recording on my phone right now, but I don't know where I left off. But anyway, this is where we at now. So got this little LED strip, and just a little, I guess like a 3-inch strip or something, but I got one of the LEDs directly facing into the actual tube, the same way that they had it set up with this one LED. So I got it set up the same way they had it set up. So it should be, I mean, if it's bright for them, it should be bright for me. Might not be as bright as I want it to be, but it should be bright enough to be seen. So I'm gonna plug up some stuff and test this out real quick just to make sure it lights up how I want it. And then I'm gonna snake it back through this piece and get ready to seal it back up. Alright, so we're testing it out. So far, so good. It's not that bright, but I I think I might cut some more grooves into it to let the light kind of bounce off a little bit more, so it'll show up more. But so far it is actually working, but it's not bright enough just yet, so. But it is a start. We getting there. Alright, y'all. I'm rotating back and forth between this GoPro and my phone, so the video gonna look a little different each time it chop up pretty much. But I got the lens, the covers painted, so just letting these dry. Holes already drilled for the halo wires, so once this dry up, I'm gonna go ahead and put the bar back in, mount that, mount these halos for the low beams, put the reflectors back in, and you'll be ready to seal them up and get them ready to wire on the car. Alright, y'all, so I finally got these lights painted, put in. I went ahead and put a halo ring in here when I painted them. And same on this side. But the way the bar was set up, the light didn't really show off that much during the daytime, so that's why I had to, at least put a halo ring in there so I had some kind of light. But flip them on real quick. So you can see, you really can't tell that the bar is lit up, but once it's nighttime, I get a better look at it, and you can see the bar lit up. But like I said, it's just the way it's made, the light doesn't really show through as much, like that little small white LED, but it's good enough for now, so wait till it get dark and get a better video.